Good morning, everyone. Today I present to you the new LS2 Spectrum Intercom. The new intercom designed by Midland to be integrated into all LS2 helmets with UCS compatibility. As you can see, LS2 Spectrum features a thin aerodynamic keypad with a 3-button interface where we have the front button, or volume plus, the central button, and the back button, or volume down. The rest of the device is housed inside the helmet's UCS compartment. Let's start by explaining, in a very simple way, how to perform the main pairings. How to pair my Spectrum with my phone. With Spectrum turned off, so the LEDs are not flashing, I hold down the central button for about 7 seconds and wait to see the red and blue flashing LED. From my phone, I go into Bluetooth settings, and I search for LS2 Spectrum by Midland. I confirm the pairing request, and my Spectrum is now paired both for phone call audio and multimedia audio for music and GPS applications. Now let's proceed with pairing another intercom, in this case, another LS2 Spectrum. With the intercom turned on, I now see the blue LEDs flashing. I hold down the central button again for about 7 seconds until I see the red and blue flashing again. From the other Spectrum, which is off, I first turn it on by pressing the central button and the back button for 3 seconds. Blue light confirms it's on. Once it's turned on, I press the central button just as I did with the first Spectrum for about 7 seconds. And now this intercom is also flashing red and blue. A steady blue light confirms the intercom pairing was successful. Now I have paired my Spectrum with my phone and another LS2 device. Remember, you can pair 2 more intercoms using the front and back buttons. These intercoms can be other LS2 Spectrum devices, but also Midland, or any intercoms that support the OBI protocol. LS2 Spectrum allows communication between 4 helmets at a maximum distance of 1.2 kilometers. Now that we have completed the pairings, let's go through the main functions. With a single click on the central button, I can open communication with the other intercom. Why did I choose the central button? Because it is the button I use to pair the other intercom. The purple light on both devices indicates that the intercom is open. A single click on the same button will close the communication. If instead of opening the intercom, I want to call someone, instead of clicking the central button, I double-click. This command activates my phone's voice assistant. If I want to listen to music, I will again use the central button, but I will hold it down for about 2 seconds. This press will play music on my phone. Once the music is playing, a double click on the forward button will skip the track. The same action on the back button will go back a track. Holding down the volume plus button or the volume down button will adjust the listening volume. So, in summary, using the Spectrum's central button, I can open intercom communication with 1 click and close it. With a double click, I activate voice dialing. And with a long press, I play music. When you receive a call, you can answer by pressing any button and end the call the same way. Using a button combination, you can also enable or disable automatic call answering. Another function of LS2 Spectrum is music sharing between rider and passenger. To share music with your passenger, you first need to open the intercom, so I click the central button. Once communication is established, I press play, and automatically, the rider's music will be shared with the passenger. When both are listening to the same music, a single click on the central button returns to intercom communication. Once the conversation ends, the music automatically resumes for both. Music and voice quality on LS2 Spectrum are guaranteed by RCF Speakers, an Italian company that is a leader in professional audio. LS2 Spectrum also guarantees 20 hours of battery life. The noise suppression filter, based on a next-generation algorithm, ensures optimal audio even in the worst conditions. We remind you to always keep your LS2 Spectrum updated to the latest firmware version, and to download the quick guide on your smartphone to always have access to all functions.